Have you ever looked at your bank account at the end of the month wondering exactly where all your money went? You know you didn't blow it all on vacations or fancy gadgets, but somehow, it's just gone. We've all been there. That feeling of helplessness when you can't quite pinpoint where your hard-earned cash is slipping away. Well, what if I told you there was an app that could help you track your spending, identify sneaky subscription fees, and even set goals to reach financial freedom? That's the power of PocketGuard. PocketGuard, your personal finance watchdog. PocketGuard isn't your average budgeting app. Sure, it helps you categorize your spending and set budgets, but it goes way beyond that. Think of it as your own personal finance watchdog, always on the lookout for ways to save you money. Here's how PocketGuard can revolutionize your financial life. 1. Unveiling the mystery. Where does your money go? The first step to controlling your finances is understanding where your money is actually going. PocketGuard uses clever categorization to automatically sort your transactions. No more sifting through endless bank statements trying to decipher cryptic codes. But PocketGuard goes a step further. It analyzes your spending habits and identifies areas where you might be overspending. Maybe that daily coffee habit is costing you more than you think, or perhaps those subscription services you barely use are silently draining your account. PocketGuard brings these hidden expenses to light. 2. Slaying the subscription monster. We've all signed up for a free trial here or a subscription service there, only to forget about them entirely. These forgotten subscriptions can become a real drain on your finances. PocketGuard identifies all your subscriptions in one place. With a quick glance, you can see what you're subscribed to, how much you're paying, and even cancel them directly within the app. No more hunting through account settings and wading through endless menus. 3. Future you will thank you. Setting financial goals. PocketGuard isn't just about tracking your spending in the present, it's about empowering you to take control of your financial future. Set specific goals, whether it's saving for a dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply building an emergency fund. PocketGuard tracks your progress towards your goals and even provides helpful insights and projections to keep you motivated. See exactly how much closer you're getting to that dream car or that unforgettable vacation with every penny saved. 4. Finding hidden savings, the power of bill negotiation. Did you know you might be able to negotiate lower rates on many of your bills? Cable, internet, phone services, these companies often have wiggle room when it comes to pricing. PocketGuard can help you identify bills that might be ripe for negotiation. The app even provides tools and templates to help you communicate with your service providers and fight for a better deal. Every dollar saved adds up, and PocketGuard can help you unlock significant savings on your monthly bills. 5. Real-time tracking, staying on budget, wherever you go. PocketGuard isn't just for desktop use. The handy mobile app allows you to track your spending on the go. See your account balance, categorize transactions, and even receive alerts when you're nearing your budget limits. This real-time tracking empowers you to make smart financial decisions, even when you're out and about. No more buyer's remorse or overspending sprees. PocketGuard keeps you informed and in control. Taking charge of your finances. PocketGuard isn't a magic bullet, but it's a powerful tool that can help you take control of your finances. By seeing exactly where your money goes, identifying areas to save, and setting clear goals, you can transform your financial future. So, if you're tired of feeling like your money is disappearing into thin air, give PocketGuard a try. It might just be the financial watchdog you've been missing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.